Across the frontiers of technology, a new era is dawning. Robotics is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is our present, and it is rapidly shaping our future. Advancements in artificial intelligence, sensor technology, and materials science are driving this robotic revolution. We are witnessing the rise of sophisticated machines capable of performing tasks previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. These robots are not just tools. They are becoming our partners, our assistants, and even our companions. From the factory floor to our homes, robots are poised to transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As we delve deeper into this exciting realm, we'll explore the diverse types of robots being developed and their potential impact on society. Imagine a world where robots seamlessly blend into our daily lives, assisting us with everyday tasks and even providing companionship. This is the vision driving the development of humanoid robots. In China, companies like X-Robots are at the forefront of this revolution. These robots are designed to mimic human appearance and behavior. They have lifelike silicone skin, expressive faces, and the ability to gesture and move like humans. Controlled through an intuitive app, these robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks. From providing care for the elderly to assisting with household chores, the applications for humanoid robots are vast and continually expanding. In industries involving hazardous environments or repetitive tasks, robots are emerging as invaluable assets. Teleoperation robots like those developed by Jinki Itai in Japan are revolutionizing maintenance work. These robots are controlled remotely by human operators, allowing for tasks to be performed with enhanced safety and precision. Imagine a skilled technician controlling a robotic arm to repair a railway track from a safe distance. Meanwhile, in the realm of logistics and warehouse management, companies like 1X are deploying autonomous robots to streamline operations. Their Eve robot, equipped with advanced sensors and grippers, can navigate complex warehouse environments. It sorts items, opens doors, and even connects to charging stations autonomously, demonstrating the power of robotics to enhance efficiency in industrial settings. The impact of robotics extends far beyond manufacturing and maintenance. At Chubu International Airport in Japan, Toyota's innovative security robot patrols the terminals, ensuring the safety of travelers. This single-person carbon fiber vehicle boasts joystick controls and a variable wheelbase for exceptional maneuverability. Even the fashion industry is experiencing a robotic revolution thanks to innovations like the Sue sewing robot. Created by Seattle-based web developer Jonathan Zorno, Sue utilizes a universal arm, reusable thermoplastic, and an ultrasonic welder to produce basic clothing items quickly and affordably. This technology has the potential to transform clothing manufacturing, making it more efficient and accessible. As we've seen, robotics is no longer a futuristic concept but a tangible reality shaping our world. From humanoid companions to specialized robots transforming industries, the possibilities are as limitless as our imaginations. As we continue to explore the potential of robotics, one thing is certain. Our future will be intertwined with these intelligent machines, ushering in an era of unprecedented innovation and progress.